How to fix you need the official WhatsApp app to log in on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you need the official WhatsApp app to log in into your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now the reason why you're getting this is your app, that is your WhatsApp app or whatever app you're using to log in, might not be the authentic official WhatsApp app. So if that's the case, you're getting this error and that causes a lot of security risks. So what you'll need to do for this is first head over to your settings, and on your settings scroll down till you find general. Tap on general, and on general simply scroll down till you find software update. It's right here. Tap on software update. Now check for any software updates available, and if you do find a software update, tap on update now to update your software. After you do that, simply delete the app that you were using to trying to log into WhatsApp. After that, open up your app store. After you open up your app store, search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, simply open up your WhatsApp here, and as you can see, there is an update available for WhatsApp. If you don't have the app itself, download the app. If you do have the app, tap on the update button to update your app. After you update your app, you can try to log back in into your account again, and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix the need of official WhatsApp to log in into your iPhone. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.